Just imagine endless possibilities and unlimited resources. Our home is the largest country in the world and nearly 12% of all the land area on the planet. The length of rivers in our country is 12.5 million kilometers. We have the largest reserves of natural resources in the world. We're not just taking advantage of it, but also giving back. Not just using it, but also being responsible for nature, the country, and future generations. This idea has unified the aspiration of Polyplastic Group to value, multiply, create, and to be the first. We unite the regions, ensure continuous life cycle of cities by providing the latest technologies and taking care of the environment. Pipes are like blood vessels of the circulatory system. A healthy person won't have sick, worn blood vessels. Our polypropylene pipes are really healthy vessels of the country that bring water, gas, heat to people. We are proud that we have been producing such useful and necessary production for 20 years. The total length of water supply and sewage networks in Russia is more than 750,000 kilometers. The heating system is about 300,000 kilometers. The gas grid is about 400,000 kilometers. The deterioration rate of pipes in the networks is 60%, and it's increasing by 2 to 3% a year. Due to such numbers, we need to replace at least 10% of the pipes yearly to turn a positive dynamic. Nowadays, polymer pipes are widely used in gas, water, and sewage systems. This effective solution has been used for quite a long time in Europe, where the share of plastic pipes in new pipelines is getting close to 80%. Russia is far behind these rates, especially in water and sewage systems. The production volume of plastic pipes in Russia is nearly 10 times less than in Europe. Metal pipes, unlike polymer pipes, are subject to corrosion, which reduces the flow section of a pipe and deteriorates its hydraulic characteristics. In spite of attractive prices for concrete pipes, their lifetime is considerably less. One of the reasons is gas corrosion, which leads to the destruction of the pipe walls and, as a result, to the soil subsidence and demolition. The advantages of polymer pipes are perfect field performance characteristics and environmental safety. They are resistant to all kinds of corrosion and are distinguished by long-term leak-proof joints. Polyplastic Group is the leader in developing and manufacturing polyethylene pipes. We have sold more than 1 million tons of polyethylene pipes in 20 years' time. There are more than 350,000 kilometers of pipes, which is comparable to 50% of the overall water supply and sewage system in Russia. There are a lot of innovation. People do not stand still. They go ahead. We are trying to discuss all the details and come to the same point of view, which would satisfy both us and a buyer. If any person is engaged in a business which brings not only material prosperity, but also moral satisfaction, the success is guaranteed. If I say that they are the leaders, yes, that's true. Nowadays, nobody works better than them. Unity is our strength. Currently, Polyplastic Group consists of 12 manufacturing factories in Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, and Kazakhstan. The total capacity is more than 300,000 tons of pipe a year, with regional sales offices in major cities and a well-equipped research and development center. There are also about 6,000 highly qualified employees. We are very glad for this cooperation. The result is that we have laid 10 kilometers of pipes. We have been working for 6 years, but every year we are holding a tender, competition, and Polyplastic wins it absolutely honestly. Using of modern composite materials, developments in manufacturing allows reaching unique features such as outstanding ring stiffness, dielectric properties, heat conduction, mechanical strength, lower combustibility, friction ratio decrease, cutting wear reduction, and lower weight of the final products. Nowadays, Polyplastic Group has a full range of comprehensive solutions for pipeline construction and for the renovation of worn pipelines. There are polyethylene pressure pipes for gas and water systems that include modern multi-layer solutions. The core pipe wall of multi-pipe is produced from modern PE 100RC, resistance to crack, pipe grades. Special mineral-filled UV-stabilized compositions are used for applying the additional protective coating named Protect. Our company also offers the polyethylene sewage system Corsys, constructed wall double-layer pipes with increased ring stiffness. The best option for extra-large diameters is Corsys Plus, or metal-reinforced Corsys Arm piping systems, with choices depending on the terms of installation and specific ring stiffness. Our own injection molding and other technologies, fitting production, and a partnership with leading European companies allows us to offer customers a wide range of fittings, accessories, valves, installation materials, and welding equipment. It's a huge job to continuously change the stereotypes about polymer materials for the use in pipes and inform our potential customers about plastic pipes' advantages. We have created informational portals, industry magazines, websites, taken an active part in exhibitions and conferences. Our collaboration with contractors and builders is very close. Educational and technical centers of Polyplastic Group organize professional training and attestation specialists in the engineering, installation, operation, maintenance, repair, and reconstruction of pipelines made of polymer materials. Being first and getting the goal, being closer to the customers, and introducing new technologies. Always being one step ahead of the world and being confident in our future. Polyplastic Group, the pipe you can trust and the partner you can trust.